So, good morning, Ma'am Sir. So, welcome to Puzzle Mansion. So, every puzzle you see here was assembled and collected by only one person. And she is Mrs. Georgina Hill from Taytay, Rizal. She started collecting all of this puzzle at the age of 35 years old. So, Ma'am Sir, this is one of her puzzle. The Retablo de Santa Columba, the longest time puzzle that have 18,000 pieces, and she finished it within 45 days. And also, all of her puzzle are from different countries. So 50 countries, but most of her puzzle are from Spain.
Okay. 45 days?
Yes, sir.
1.5 months lang?
So, do you want to take a photo
Yeah,
here,
yeah,
Ma'am,
yeah.
sir? And this side to see the background. So, Ma'am, sir, this is the hardest puzzle of Mrs. Georgina. So, this is the Las Hilanderas, the hardest puzzle that have 10,000 pieces, and she finished it within 12.5 days. So, why it's called the hardest puzzle? Because it's a dark color.
12.5 lang?
Yes, sir.
Days. Black.
Kahit sa hardtop. Kaya dark ang hirap eh.
Yes, ma'am.
You just have a good mind to figure it out. It would take me 5 years.
Probably me 10 years.
And this is the Lifarnes that have 8,000 pieces, and she finished it within 5 days.
Oh, hindi natutulog?
Natutulog naman po siya, sir. Kaya po kasi basic sa kanya pagpapasal po, mananahin po kasi siya.
Okay.
And this is the original certificate of Mrs. Georgina, who was declared the Guinness World Book of Records on November 29, 2012, the largest jigsaw puzzle collection all over the world. So she have 1,028 puzzle, and she defeat the Brazilian lady that have 238 puzzle. And now, Ma'am Georgina, total puzzle here is 1,400. But Mrs. Georgina passed away at the age of 63 years old, 2014, 2 years after she won in Guinness. Because it's a cardiac arrest. Diabetic po kasi siya. So, bigla po bumaba yung sugar niya. Surrender of Granada po yung title. So, Ma'am, sir, we also have the first ever puzzle of Mrs. Georgina sa Miss Lee.
Na ano na yun. Kulay. Mickey Mouse.
So, Ma'am, sir, this is the first ever puzzle of Mrs. Georgina. The Mickey Mouse and the racing team that have 5,000 pieces, and she finished it within 3 days. Also, this is her gift to his only son, and this is Ma'am Georgina's favorite puzzle, 1985.
Disney.
Yes.
Puzzle, famous paintings, the Big Five in Cases. So we also have Ma'am Georgina picture. So this is a customized puzzle.
Ay, animal. Disney. Powers. Misha.
So Ma'am, sir, this is Mrs. Georgina Atayaki, 16 years old and 61 years old than her family. And this is the 3D wooden dinosaurs, 3D wooden aircraft, 4D cityscape from abroad, 3D landmarks and cathedrals, and also the Mona Lisa. So that have 1,500 pieces, and she finished it within 14 hours.
Kalahating araw lang.
And then imagine the way she thinks to be able to do it a lot.
Yes.
Lightning speed.
So now, ma'am, sir, you can go around. You can take pictures and video here. Then if you done, we will proceed upstairs. The three biggest puzzle of Mrs. Georgina. So her first biggest puzzle have 33,600 pieces. And she finished it within 1 year and 8 months.
Wow.
And also, we also have the latest puzzle at the souvenir shop. So
Medyo
that
tumagal,
puzzle
isang
was
taon.
assembled by Ma'am Georgina's family. So that have 42,000 pieces and they finish it within.
Oh, goodness.
So ma'am sir, antayin ko na lang po kayo.
Sige,
sa-
madam. Salamat.
Thank you,
Thank you,
enjoy
thank you.
ma'am sir.
Kala ko 5 months na naman. Ang dami na nun. Yung Mona Lisa.
Teka lang.
Tulad ng mga puzzle na ito, para kay Gina Lacuna, ang buhay ay binubuo ng mga magkakadugtong na karanasan at mga pagsubok na dapat daanan at mapagtagumpayan. Panganay sa 3 magkakapatid at nag-iisang anak na babae si Gina ng mag-asawang Dio at Helen Hill. Nanirahan sila noon sa isang paupahang bahay sa may gagalanging tondo. At mula sa kita ng kanilang tindahan, kinukuha ng mag-asawa ang lahat ng gastusin sa pagpapaaral sa mga anak. Nang humina ang kita sa munting tindahan ng kanyang pamilya, pinilit ni Gina na makatulong sa kanyang mga magulang.
Puzzle din yan eh. Kahit kayong ganun, no?
Ibibenta sa kanyang mga kaklase, tulad ng Emma. Sariling gawang aksesorya sa buhok.
Gagawa kang ganyan?
Yung damit.
Hindi. Sartop yan.
Gina, bakit pala kayo talaga mahilig na kayo
Obvious.
talaga magnegosyo?
Magnetic.
Oo, kasi
Oo.
kailangan ko na ba ang araw 40 pesos ang metrika so kailangan i-raise ko yun.
Pinagsabay niya ang pagbebenta at pag-aaral noong high school hanggang nakapagtapos siya noong 1968.
Dito karating tips
Subalit,
person.
isang
Ay, ako.
trahedya ang nangyari sa kanyang kapatid na si Gilbert. Naparalisa ang kalahati ng katawan ng kanyang kapatid at halos 1 buwan na malaki sa ospital. Noong mga panahong iyon, kinailangan isakripisyo ni Gina ang pagpasok sa kolehiyo na palit ng maagang pagtatrabaho. Malalaking sumot ng mga napamiling tela at mga nayaming sample ng mga damit ang kanyang bibig habang inilalako ang buti ang buong mundo. Isa pa sa mga sobrang bunga ng pagsisikap ni Gina ay ang Pazo Mansion na ito dito sa Tagaytay City. At sa loob ng mansyon na ito,
Parang naka-anti kayo. Ganun man, kada ginagawa niya siguro to.
Ginugulo niya na.
Hindi siya ginugulo. Tinatimingan niya. Inoorasan niya kasi kadalasan may ganito na.
Malaki siguro to.
Right? Bakit nandito yung toilet?
So, ma'am, sir, this is the first biggest puzzle that we figured out. So, this is the wine of life that have 33,600 pieces, and she finished it within 1 year and 8 months. And also, there have a missing piece because of the manufacturing defect. Yes, only one piece.
Nasaan dyan?
At the hippopotamus.
Ayun.
Yung sa ilong.
Yes.
Parang hindi na halata eh.
Malaki eh.
The life that have 24,000 pieces, and she finished it within 6 months. Also, this is her last puzzle assembled before she passed away.
Ito.
Yes, sir. So, ito pong 3 biggest puzzle niya, ma'am, sir, is senior na po siya nung inassemble niya po yan.
Oh, okay.
Hindi po na isama po sa Guinness.
Kaya yung kahon nito nung di pa binubuo.
Gano'ng kalaki yung kahon?
Ano lang po, ma'am, sir, yung ganun lang po siya kalaki po.
Pinagpatong-patong.
Yes. So, maunti lang po siya tingnan kapag po naka-assemble po siya. So, ma'am, sir, this is the second biggest puzzle, the pop art. So, that have 32,000 pieces. And she finished it within 4 months.
4 months.
Ito.
And also, the famous tourist spot here in the Philippines, customized by Mrs. Georgina as a local puzzle. So, ma'am, sir, this is the Boracay, Puerto Princesa, the underground river, San Juanico Bridge in Leyte, the Al Volcano in Batangas, the windmill in Ilocos, Maria Cristina Falls in Mindanao, the Banawi Rice Terraces in Benguet, Chocolate Hills in
Nagpa-flare.
Bohol, Mayon Volcano in Bicol, Sinulog Festival in Cebu, BGC, the Aguinaldo Shrine, the house of the first president of the Philippines, Kaway Church in Ilocos, and also Rizal Monument in Maynila.
Nagabot pa yun. Ano talaga?
Yes. So, ma'am, sir, this is the latest puzzle here, the around the world that have 42,000 pieces, and they finish it within 2 years. So that puzzle was assembled by Ma'am Georgina San and the cousins. Also, this is international landmarks only, so we don't have here a Philippines.